Good day everyone and welcome back to this training. This is the voice of Oluwasegun. Now I'll be teaching you how to blend image background on Pixellab. So how to blend image background. This you can apply it in any design of yours just to make it look awesome. Now when you come to your Pixellab app, you find it this way. So make sure it's here. So whenever I want to start a fresh work, you see all these templates, just ignore, move to the last one, then tap on this white. So when you tap on this white now, we want to blend a background. We want to blend a background. So now I'll be importing an image here. I'll be importing the background. I'll be importing the background. Okay. I'm seeing one or two. Let me try to check this. So it's a one by one flyer. So let me just set it to one by one and put it and position it well. Now, okay, now when you have this, you can fill it up. I fill it up to contain this, okay? But okay, I want to do something. Alright, let me resize it. Let me resize it so that I'll get what I'm trying to do. Okay, now just make sure that the sizing is in 100 as white. So no. So now relative position. So now you notice that there's still white space in here. Now how do you make sure that everything is covered up with the background without you finding a line where this one starts from? Now this is how you do it. This is how you do it. This is how you do it. So just make sure that you lock this background. Make sure you lock the background, lock it, and then you'll not be able to move it. Now the next thing is for you to come to this background page. So now you now click on color. You know the color is originally white, so we have to change the color to this background color. Now you click on this plus icon. So when you click on plus, then I taught how to keep pick color on the previous video. So when you click on this color picker, then you select this image and then you select this edge. I mean this down color. You notice that everything is the same color. Am I right? So when you click on it, then you said okay. Now you're good to go. You're good to go. But you can still notice some kind of, if you check clearly, you notice that there's a kind of reflection here. But now this is another method you can easily use to blend your image without using the background. Just come to, okay, let me change this color so that you'll be able to get what I'm trying to explain. Now come to shape. So when you come to shape, leave it here. Now you don't have to click on mark or X, just leave it here and then scroll down from the edit. Now when you scroll down, click on gradient. When you click on gradient, click on plus. When you click on plus, I taught you that this is up and this is down. So this is like your shape. This is your squared shape. So anything that you are seeing here will appear on the top, and anything you are seeing here will appear on the bottom. So when you change it here, this is left and right. So when you change it here, this is the left angle and right angle. So in this case now, since we are working on the upper and the lower, so we make use of this. Now this one, now you have to change the color to, no, okay, I hope you get it. So you just come here. This is the selection and this is the selection. So we are changing this color first. So click on this. When you click on this, then you click on color picker. So now select the color here, the color. You select the color and then you mark it, just leave it and click on OK. Now this second one, the one that appear on top, you have to give it a transparent color. So you don't have to pick any color in this aspect. Now just click on this and then you move this to the transparent color, move it to the last edge and then click on OK. So just adjust this. You can leave it that way, but you can just adjust it like this and then click on OK. So this is it. This is it. What you just have to do is that mark it, then you just have to adjust it to the sizing. Adjust it to the sizing. All right. I hope you have gotten it now. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. So we got it. We got it right. We got it right. Now another thing you can do here is that you can easily change the color of this shape so that you give it another different color. So you can come to color or I'm coming. I want to. All right. Yeah. So okay, yeah, good. So I don't want it to look so stretched up. So that's why I have to just reduce the sizing. Now, you can still change the color here. You can change it. You can change it, but you only have to change it to a dark color like black. So like black, you can change this like black or a very deep red. So I hope you are getting me. So that's how you can easily blend your image. That's how you can easily blend your, blend your background. Background, I mean. So okay, let me return to where I stopped now. Let's say for instance you have it this way, you can just add some kind of extra colors. Now in this aspect, you make use of your shadow. So from shadow you can find it on sticker. Or find on sticker, just tap on the screen. So make sure you lock this second one as well. We are done with it. So now when you click on this, then you can then give it another color. Not so obvious, but you can just make it it's something like this. Or yeah, okay, copy, then just move it to the edges. You can resize it and give it like, let me give it the color from the background, this, yeah, this. Okay, yeah, so just play around it. That's, I don't know the kind of thing you are doing, but this is basically the way you can easily blend your background, not to make everything just look somehow. So just give it a different toning, different color toning like this. You can just give it like purple. So can you see this is a background on its own? So the second thing I'll be teaching you is how to blend image. So it's just the same step, but let me conclude this in this video. Let me conclude it in this video. Okay, delete. So just import an image you want to blend. um, let me use this. Okay, let me use it. All right, so this image is appearing this way. I hope you get. So let me just give it another color. No, not off. All right, yeah, this. So I'm giving this color. Now I want to blend it. That you see this part. This part will not have to appear this way. So I want to blend the image with the background. So what do? Just come to shape. It's very simple. Just as I taught you in the first one. So click on this. This is an edited. So just change this one to the background color. Okay, so that's it. It's very simple. And then you you move it here. So this is it. This is it. You will notice that if you if you look closely, you can't find anywhere the image starts from. It blends with the background. So that's what we call image blending and background blending. So I hope you get it. It's very simple. Just you can apply it in all designs. You will find it in most designs. And this is another thing which people use. You can still use this. Okay, shape. Am I still in the right place? Okay, let me just edit it.